The following question reads that Y and Z are two widely used selective weed killers. You can ignore the working on the question for now. So there are two organic weed killers, Y and Z, and the question is which reagents will distinguish Y from Z. So I'm going to first figure out let's start with the option A. The first one is acidified silver nitrate. Of course, remember acidified silver nitrate is used to identify halides. Cl-1 gives a white precipitate, Br-1 gives a pale cream precipitate, I-1 gives a yellow precipitate. Now, in both these molecules, you have chlorine in them. That's the only halogen that's present. So there would be chances that some of the chlorine would break off and form Cl-1 ions. So there might be Cl-1 ions present in the solution. But if you add silver nitrate, both solutions are going to give a positive test. They're going to give white precipitate. If a few of the Cl ions, they break off, so both solutions have Cl ions, they have the exact same halogen, so they're going to give the same exact result. So you wouldn't be able to distinguish between Y and Z. Moving to Fehling solution. Fehling solution is an oxidizing agent which is used to identify aldehydes, because aldehydes, they get oxidized to carboxylic acids. So aldehydes get oxidized to carboxylic acids. So if you have an aldehyde, it's going to give a positive test. A red precipitate is going to be formed and a positive result would be obtained. But if you carefully look at the structures, there's an O over here. But if I draw this structure, this O is actually just a single O, and then there is a CH2 next to it. So that's C with two hydrogens next to it. So it's the structure of this O is something like this. It's not, and then followed by carboxylic acid. So there's C double bond O and OH. So there is no aldehyde. Aldehyde group is this group, C double bond O and H. Now, this group is not present. It's missing. So Fehling solution is not going to give a result with either this molecule or this molecule. Moving to sodium, option number C. Sodium reacts with carboxylic acids.